Good morning, student. Today I will tell you about photosynthesis. First of all, know the meaning of word photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is made up of two distinct words, namely photo and synthesis. Here, photo means sunlight and synthesis means manufacturing. This means that photosynthesis is one of the life process which only takes place in green plant, especially photoautotroph, wherein sunlight energy get utilized in manufacturing organic molecule glucose from inorganic carbon dioxide and water. Now come on the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an endothermic oxidation reduction anabolic process. Why we say photosynthesis is an endothermic process? This is because in photosynthesis the sunlight energy which was get converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP during light reaction phase of the photosynthesis get utilized in the assimilation of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate glucose. Why we say that photosynthesis is an oxidation reduction process? We say photosynthesis is an oxidation reduction process because in photosynthesis water molecule get oxidized within thylakoid lumen and carbon dioxide get reduced within stroma of the chloroplast. Why we say photosynthesis is an anabolic process? We say photosynthesis is an anabolic process because in photosynthesis food means organic food is made from simple inorganic carbon dioxide and water. Now to have a clear concept of photosynthesis, the photosynthesis has been divided into two phases, where the first phase of photosynthesis is light reaction and the second phase of photosynthesis is dark reaction. The first phase of photosynthesis, meaning light reaction, has three additional names, and these three additional names of light reaction are photochemical reaction, Hill reaction and primary event of photosynthesis. Similarly, the second phase of photosynthesis, which is dark reaction, has also three additional names, and these three additional names of dark reaction are biosynthetic reaction, Calvin cycle and secondary event of photosynthesis. I will tell you about the phases of photosynthesis in the next video. Thanks.